In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export and print notes from NotebookLm. Let's walk through a simple, reliable way to get your notes out of NotebookLm and onto paper, using Google Docs as a workaround. This method is great because it uses tools you probably already have access to, and it keeps the formatting clean and easy to read once you print. First, you'll want to make sure the content you care about is actually saved as notes inside NotebookLm. As you're working in a chat, look at the response you want to keep. Just below that response, you'll see a button labeled Save to Note. Go ahead and click that. This tells NotebookLm, this part is important, keep it for later. You can repeat this for multiple responses, so you can build up a set of notes, a study guide, or a longer report over time. Taking a moment to save only what you really need will make your final exported document much cleaner and easier to scan. Once you've saved your content, it's time to export it. On the right-hand side of the screen, open the Studio panel. This is where NotebookLm organizes all of your saved items, like notes, study guides, and reports. Find the specific piece of content you want to print. When you hover over it, you'll see a small 3 dots menu next to its title. Click those 3 dots, and from the menu that appears, choose Export to Google Docs. NotebookLm will automatically create a new Google Doc with all of that content arranged for you. After a moment, your new Google Doc will open in a separate browser tab. Take a quick look through the document to make sure everything you need is there. This is also a good time to make small tweaks, like adjusting headings, fixing spacing, or adding a title to the top so you remember what the notes are for. When you're ready to print, use the standard print options in Google Docs. At the top of the screen, click on File, then select Print. Your browser's print dialog will open, where you can choose your printer, adjust the number of copies, and set options like color, page range, and orientation. Once your settings look good, click to confirm and your notes will start printing. That's all you need to export and print your NotebookLm notes using Google Docs, giving you a clean, shareable hard copy whenever you need it.